Eid-e-Milad-un-Nabi observed across Maharashtra. And World Sai Baba Temple Conference inaugurated in Shirdi. Thank you, Munmun. Hi and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. I'm Shama Mishra. Let's see the news in detail. People across the state today celebrate Eid-e-Milad-un-Nabi. The day marks the birth anniversary of Prophet Muhammad. It is a day dedicated to Prophet Muhammad and his teachings. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, through Twitter, greeted on the occasion. In several parts of the state, various programs were organized. Special prayers and procession were carried across the state to mark the day. Finance Minister Sudhir Mungantiwar said that Sai Baba followed the Seva Dharma and various Sai Baba temples in our country and abroad are spreading the said thought. The minister was speaking while inaugurating the World Sai Baba Temple Conference organized by Sri Sai Baba Sansthan Trust on Sunday in Shirdi. The conference was organized for the planning of Sai Baba Samadhi Centenary Year in 2018. Leader of Opposition in State Assembly Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil, State Water Resources Minister Girish Mahajan, SSST Chairperson Dr. Suresh Haware, trustees and chairpersons of Sai Baba temples from US, England, Germany, New Zealand, Malaysia were present at the conference. SSST Chairperson Haware informed that currently there are 3,000 temples of Sai Baba across the world. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis visited the residence of Shahid Lance Naik Sambhaji Kadam at Nanded district of Maharashtra and handed over a cheque of 15 lakh rupees to his family members. Lance Naik Sambhaji Kadam is one of the 7 brave hearts who laid down his life for the nation fighting Pakistan terrorists in the Nagrota terror attack on November 29th. Union Agriculture Minister Radha Mohan Singh stated that demonetization decision taken by the government is to encourage digital economy and for benefit of the future generation. The minister was speaking at an event in Mumbai on cashless banking organized by TJSB Bank. Radha Mohan Singh also reviewed the work done by urban cooperative banks after demonetization to move towards a cashless economy. He took stock of the number of debit cards issued, POS machines installed, e-wallets, mobile banking, net banking and RuPay cards. He appreciated the steps undertaken by the bank towards cashless transactions.
मुझे विश्वास है कि ये गति और तेज पकड़ेगा मुंबई के अंदर और वास्तव में देश के अंदर ये जो एटीएम पर जो धक्का हो रहा पहले से भी होते रहे बैंकों के अंदर उससे निकलने का एकमात्र रास्ता है मोबाइल बैंक यूपीआई का प्लेटफार्म यानी कैशलेस ट्रांजैक्शन हो डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शन हो.
Rajiv Anand, Executive Director of Retail Banking in Axis Bank, while talking to DD News, said that cash economy has begun to come into real economy and that is a major benefit of demonetization. Let's listen in for more as he speaks on the impact and measures. So thank you very much for joining DD News. First of all, when we're talking about demonetization, long term में इसका effect कैसा रहेगा हमारे economy पे?
जैसे आप देख रहे हैं कि almost when I last saw the numbers from RBI, almost 9 lakh crores of money has come into the banking system. This will certainly drive interest rates down, both on the deposit side as well as on the lending side, and that as we go forward should certainly help the economy. And I think fundamentally there is a huge cash economy that is now coming into the real economy. and so therefore that itself should help us grow after we come through the sort of the short-term pain that we are seeing currently. We are seeing the use of debit cards, the use of electronic modes of payments like wallets, UPI, growing and growing multifold. ये 10-20% की growth नहीं है. It is 3x, 4x growth, 300, 400, 500% kind of growth numbers, and this kind of change of customer behavior ऐसे ही time में होती है, and I think that itself should certainly help us in the long term.
What are the measures from the Axis Bank you all are taking for making the economy cashless and also helping the society to have more awareness about going digital?
We are already among the largest acquirers. जो POS terminals आपको आप देखते हैं various shops में, we are among the largest acquirers in the country. We have almost close to 3 lakh POS terminals across the country. We are already a market leader within that. We continue to grow that network. We are growing that network through POS terminals, through what is called QR code. जो छोटे-छोटे merchants हैं उनको QR code दे रहे हैं, and through UPI. Our Axis Pay already has in excess of 1.3 million downloads. So we are seeing very good traction with UPI as well. We are already acquiring. I mean, you can go to Andheri, for example. आप ऑटो में जाएंगे तो हमारा QR code दिखेगा आपको.
All right. Thank you very much for joining DD News and sharing all the measures that Axis Bank is taking for making India digitally aware.
Thank you for having me.
Sawat Kheda, a small village in Jalgaon district of Maharashtra with a population of around 1,360, has wholeheartedly adopted the concept of digital economy post the demonetization decision. Without getting bogged down by the cash crunch, they have positively responded to Prime Minister's call for adopting cashless economy. All villagers have a bank account, Aadhaar card, and almost all have debit cards issued for themselves. Shopkeepers in village have started installing swipe machines and accepting online payment modes. The enthusiasm with which the villagers have adopted cashless economy assures that a vision of a digital and cashless India is truly possible. The initiative has been facilitated by Water Resources and Medical Education Minister Girish Mahajan by providing broadband service to the village.
सावतखेडा गावामध्ये माननीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी यांनी जे आवाहन केलं आहे किंवा कॅशलेस इंडिया त्याची सुरुवात आमच्या छोट्याशा सावतखेडा गावातून झालेली आहे आणि आम्ही सर्व व्यवहार स्वाईप मशीनद्वारे आणि पेटीएमद्वारे करतो.
Fourth Annual Wealth Management Convention was held in Mumbai. The convention was themed focusing the financial planning services industry with the launch of first ever estate planning service in India. This service will provide planning solutions to the individuals by training the chartered accountants, lawyers and ex-bankers as per the requirements. The other aspects discussed were improvement of financial literacy and investor awareness to extend the reach into the society. Speaking of demonetization decision of the government, Dilip Chokse supported the decision of demonetization and expressed the need of digital economy and increasing the awareness of it among the public. The decision of demonetization has been hailed and supported by the general public as one that will counter corruption and usher in a digital and cashless economy in the country. However, the subsequent cash crunch has also led to many hardships and inconvenience to people. To create awareness among the public and regarding cashless transactions, street plays were conducted at about 30 places in Jalgaon city of Maharashtra. These were performed by students of Vivekananda Pratishthan School under the Lokashikcha Jagar initiative by Dr. Avinash Acharya. This group creates awareness about the various government schemes among the public, but post-demonetization it is helping people to know about the various methods and aspects of adopting digital and cashless economy.
मला माहिती होत गोंधळ होणारच होता. महाराज महाराज बोला राणी साहेब, मी माझ्या 500 आणि 1000 नोटा काय करू? कुठे आहे तुमच्या नोटा? तांदळाच्या डब्यात, तांब्याच्या खड्डीत, साखरेच्या डब्यात, गव्हाच्या कोठीत. मला मगापासून एकदा सांगत होतो, आजपासून
काले पैसों के खिलाफ माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो अभियान भारतवर्ष में छेड़ के रखा है, उस अभियान में विवेकानंद प्रतिष्ठान सक्रिय रूप से सहभागी है और लोगों में जन जागृति करने के लिए हम लोग ये स्ट्रीट प्ले कर रहे हैं। अभी तक 40 स्ट्रीट प्ले हम लोगों ने किए हुए हैं और ये बच्चे हर चौराहे में जाकर लोगों में जन जागृति कर रहे हैं।
That's it then in this edition of Metro Scan from Mumbai. We'll be back tomorrow evening with more updates from the commercial capital. It's over to Delhi studio. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.